So this project was about looking at medical supplies needed by underserved countries. The WHO estimates that about 80% of the medical supplies in underserved countries are provided from foreign countries. But there hasn't been research done specifying exactly what kind of supplies are requested by the medical professionals for use in such resource-scarce countries. So this project looked at donated medical supplies sent to Ghana and Sierra Leone. At University Hospital, in the OR, surgical supplies that are opened for a case but not used are donated in bins. NGMS Recover is a club at New Jersey Medical School that gets medical students to go into the OR, collect these clean, non-sterile supplies, and catalog them, and this occurs weekly. These supplies are later packed and shipped to countries as per requested need. So we looked at the data for the shipments that were sent to Ghana and for Sierra Leone. And these were arranged in these graphs in terms of descending frequency. And to summarize for the results, the top 5 most popular items for Ghana were in descending order: sticky drapes, light handles, syringes, non-sterile gloves, and blue towels. And for the top 5 most popular items sent to Sierra Leone were also in descending order: 24-gauge IV catheters, blue towels, unexpired varied sutures, miscellaneous unexpired sutures, and quarter sheets. So based on the data, it looks like sticky drips, blue towels, sutures, and other such materials were the most widely requested items. Given this, it appears to warrant more conscientious recovery of these items from the OR since they appear more valuable. However, since there's only 2 shipments of data, it's a very small sample size. So these results could just simply also be due to variation in these 2 shipments. It's entirely possible that at other times than these were sent, other supplies were more widely requested, more widely needed. And just at a certain point that when we sent these supplies, those were the ones they needed at that time. Additionally, these shipments occurred prior to COVID, and it's possible that priority for resources has shifted in underserved countries because of the pandemic. Given that there were reports of oxygen shortages, just for one example. As such, we'd also need data on shipments sent to underserved countries during COVID, and particularly ones that when they were dealing with COVID waves, to figure out what sort of supplies those countries would need as they or need and as they currently need right now, as multiple countries still struggle to continue to combat the pandemic. And then I'd just like to give a special thanks to Dr. Sifri for all of his help and to all members of NGMS Recover for their volunteer work. Thank you.